Hello everyone, welcome back to Have to by 81. Before we begin, I want to showcase some beautiful flowers currently blooming in my garden this June. This season has truly filled my garden with so much color, freshness, and positive energy. Every morning feels special when I step outside and see new blooms welcoming the day. But among all these beautiful flowers, the real star of today's video is one very special flower, Aprajita. We often realize the true value of a plant only in two situations: either when we see its shocking price in malls or nurseries, or when we fall sick and start reading about its incredible health benefits. And then we suddenly think, this plant was around us all this time. Why didn't we value it earlier? Recently, something similar happened with me. I visited a mall and came across dried Aprajita flower tea, and honestly, when I saw its price, it gave me a serious alarm. I was genuinely surprised because this is a flower many of us grow at home or see around us so commonly. That made me curious. I came back home and started reading deeply about Aprajita, its health benefits, medicinal uses, and why this simple flower is becoming so valuable. And the more I learned, the more amazed I became. Since then, I have started caring for my Aprajita plant even more carefully and collecting every flower daily without fail. Some flowers I use fresh for tea, and the rest I am drying carefully to preserve for the off season. Sometimes all it takes is one moment of realization to understand the true value of something we already have. And Aprajita is definitely one such plant. So today let's talk about why this simple yet powerful flower deserves a place in every home garden. Aprajita, also known as Butterfly Pea flower, is a fast-growing flower vine. It is famous for its vibrant deep blue flowers, though white varieties are also available. In many Indian homes, this plant is grown near gates, balconies, or garden fences. Why? Because it grows beautifully, flowers generously, and requires minimal maintenance. The best part? It gives both beauty and utility. Now let's talk about why this plant is so special. Number 1, rich in antioxidants. Aprajita flowers are loaded with antioxidants. This help fight free radicals in the body and support overall health. Number 2, good for brain health. Traditionally, Aprajita has been used in Ayurveda to improve memory and mental clarity. It is often linked with better focus and relaxation. Number 3, supports skin and hair. The antioxidants in butterfly pea flower may help slow premature aging. Many herbal beauty products now use Aprajita extracts. Number 4, natural stress relief. Blue tea made from Aprajita flower is known for its calming effect. A warm cup in the morning or evening feels incredibly soothing. Number 5, immunity support. Its natural compounds help strengthen the body, especially during seasonal changes. Herbal teas become useful. 6, spiritual importance. Aprajita flowers are often offered in puja and spiritual rituals. Many believe the plant brings positivity and peace to the home. Now tell me in the comments, have you ever used Aprajita flowers for tea or puja? I would love to know. Now that we know about the amazing benefits of Aprajita, let's talk about its practical uses in daily life. And this is where this plant becomes even more impressive. Because Aprajita is not just beautiful, to look at, it is highly useful too. Number 1, herbal blue tea. The most popular use of Aprajita flowers is making blue tea. Just steep fresh or dried flowers in hot water for a few minutes and you get this beautiful natural blue colored tea. It looks magical, tastes mild and refreshing, and feels very calming. The most fascinating part, add a few drops of lemon juice and watch the tea transform from deep blue to purple. It feels like a science experiment by nature itself. Number 2, natural food coloring. Aprajita flowers are also used as a natural food color. Many people use it in rice dishes, desserts, mocktails, and herbal drinks. Instead of artificial colors, this is a beautiful natural option. 3. Ayurvedic remedies. For generations, Aprajita has been used in traditional remedies. It has been valued for supporting overall wellness, mental relaxation, and immunity. This is one reason why its importance has grown so much in recent years. Number 4. Hair and skin care. Aprajita is also making its way into beauty care. Many herbal products now use its extract for skin and hair benefits. Natural beauty solutions are becoming more popular and Aprajita is gaining attention here too. Number 5. Garden beauty and pollinators. And of course, one of its most beautiful uses is simply enhancing your garden. Its stunning blue flowers instantly brighten any space. Plus, butterflies and pollinators love it. So, by growing Aprajita, you are not just helping yourself, you are also helping nature. Tell me in the comments, how do you use Aprajita flowers at home? Tea, puja, or just for garden beauty? Friends, till my blue tea gets ready in my electronic kettle, let's talk about how to grow and care for Aprajita. Number 1. Sunlight. Aprajita loves sunlight. It grows best with 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight. More sunlight usually means more flowers. Number 2. Soil. Use well-draining soil. A simple mix works great. Garden soil, compost, coco peat or sand. Avoid waterlogged soil. Number 3. Watering. Water when the topsoil feels dry. Don't overwater. Too much water can cause root rot. During summer, watering may be frequent. During monsoon, reduce watering. Number 4. Fertilizer. Feed the plant every 15 to 20 days. You can use vermicompost, cow dung compost, banana peel fertilizer. This encourages healthy flowering. Number 5. Support for climbing. Remember, Aprajita is a climber. Give it support like trellis, rope, fence, balcony grill. Once supported, it grows rapidly. Number 6. Pruning. Prune regularly, removing dead stems encourages fresh growth and more branching. More branches is equal to more flowers. Number 7. Pest control. Generally, Aprajita is a low maintenance. Sometimes aphids or bugs may appear. Use neem oil spray for natural pest control. Aprajita teaches us a beautiful life lessons. Sometimes the most precious things are not the most expensive ones. They are the simple blessings quietly growing around us. A flower that brings beauty to our garden, calmness to our mind, goodness to our health, and positivity to our home. That is truly special. And honestly, this journey with Aprajita reminded me of something very important. We often search far and wide for solutions, wellness, and happiness, while nature has already placed so much around us. We just need to observe, value, and nurture it. So, if you already have an Aprajita plant, cherish it. And if you don't have one yet, maybe this is your sign to bring one home. If this video added value to your day, please like, share, and support Haftuber 81. Share this video with fellow gardeners, friends, and family so more people become aware of this amazing plant. Because sometimes a small change in thought process can create big results. More greenery, better health, money saved, and deep satisfaction. And instead of spending more on expensive products, we can invest that money in bringing home more plants from our wish list. See you in the next video. Till then, keep growing, keep blooming, and keep spreading greenery. Happy gardening!